guys, welcome back to the channel. Caveman here. On today's episode of the JLU build, we have these Coda Racing pretty cool blue anodized high clearance 4-links, and it also came with the front tie rod links. We have the Trio long travel shocks and the Milestar Patagonias with the RC 4-wheel drive stamped steel beadlocks. We do have another set of beadlocks coming for this that we'll do a review on. They're just not here yet. Thanks, United States Postal Service. And yeah, let's set it down on the trail and see what it's going to do now with the 4 links and the high clearance. The 4-link setup replaces the 3-link or the wishbone, whatever you really know it by, and I flip it right out of the gate. My driving will probably be a little bad in some of these episodes. We've been doing a lot of these early in the morning. It's been getting pretty hot up here, but I won't talk too much. I'll probably, here in a minute, I'll throw some music over the background and just run some lines and let you guys see what it does now that it's got a ton of flex compared to stock. It's going up most of our challenge lines really easy until I get it stuck and then have to eat my words. But it's going a lot of places that it wouldn't have ever went stock. And this is the new trail setup. Forgive all the noise in the background. There's other things going on at the HQ this morning. But it's definitely, the 4 links I highly recommend. They're a huge improvement. And now I'm gonna just kind of hush and let it run once my gremlin flips me back over, and we'll see you at the end. Alright guys, let's do a final thought. Alright guys, the 4-link is a substantial improvement over the stock how they come from the factory. I highly recommend it. You will get increased flex and so forth if you're looking for the crazy articulation that you get with some of the other stuff. You will definitely get it with this setup. The blue that that Coda Racing uses looks really good. It looks really nice with these Treel shocks. Unfortunately, I didn't do the Treel links. I was kind of on a tight budget when I was buying some stuff for this one. But maybe in the future we can do a Treel link upgrade video. We'll see. Whenever they get here from the mail, we're going to do a different set of rims on this. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see me do a Patagonia versus all the tires we have challenge. I'm more than happy to do it. But yeah, if you guys could like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff, let us know you guys like it. It helps us stick around and makes us want to keep doing this for you guys. And yeah, that's it from here at the Caveman HQ. We'll give you another look at the really cool blue links under here, and we will see you in the next one, and we'll see you out on the trail. Thanks for stopping by.